3 years ago, a doctor helped us to diagnose our son with a rare blood disease caused by a mutation in his DNA. And although he explained to us that it may affect individuals differently, some aspects of the disorder might be life-threatening. My heart sank into my chest. It was very difficult to get this bad news, because as a parent I feel obligated to look for the best solution and best care for my son. That was the main reason to start looking into genomic medicine as a potential solution. So upon browsing all the DNA testing kits, I was shocked to learn that from their terms and conditions, they wanted us to forfeit our son's DNA data, allowing it to be used by big pharma companies, governments, and research entities without our knowledge. The problem with this is that it grants DNA testing companies a perpetual license that is basically royalty-free and worldwide valid over your most sensitive data. Genobank is the world's first privacy-preserving DNA kit that ensures complete ownership and control over DNA data. With Genobank, your identity remains completely anonymous from the moment our test kit is purchased, used, and sent to the laboratory for processing. Our patent-pending platform, based on blockchain, allows us to anonymize DNA biosamples and datasets, to then be stored in an encrypted and personal DNA wallet. Only you have access and control to your DNA using Genobank's data wallet. With the passing of the laws like GDPR and CCPA, now governments around the world understand that protection over private data is a necessity. In order to comply with these new laws, any entity that deals with human DNA data will spend anywhere between hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars on data protection compliance. Genobank is an end-to-end solution that for the first time ever will offer indemnity to clinicians, biobanks, universities, and DNA researchers against any potential data privacy claims. Now, families like my own can interact with researchers around the world to accelerate discoveries and new treatments with peace of mind. Thank you very much for your support.